Hello and welcome to another Movement is Medicine small dose chair assist exercise session. This is gentle power moves. These 10-minute chair assisted exercise sessions are designed to help you get in the recommended 30 minutes of daily activity for health and wellness because movement is medicine. No matter your current activity level, everyone can benefit from getting more movement into their day. Regular movement is an essential part of maintaining joint health and preventing or managing many chronic conditions. These 10-minute chair-assisted sessions are designed to make it easy to get started and gradually build up your activity. You can fit them in throughout your day, starting with just one session and increasing as you feel able. These sessions build strength and stability so you can progress to our unassisted routines. Alrighty. Let's get started. For this session, you just need a comfortable, sturdy, non-slip armchair, some comfortable clothing, and supportive non-slip shoes. And have some water nearby so you can hydrate if needed. All right, we're going to start with just a little warm-up just to get the body ready for the main part of our exercise session. And I want you to put your feet up on the floor about shoulder width apart because this is a more stable position than having your feet closer together because we're going to be bringing both our hands up and pressing our palms together like that. And then just take a deep breath in through your nose, expanding your chest, feeling your shoulders rise, and then breathe out. One more time, big breath in through your nose, and then breathing out. Okay, now place both hands on the chair in front of you, and you are going to bring one arm up, and that same leg on that same side, you want to reach that out, and then reach over to the opposite side with that hand. Just like that. And now back to center with both hands on the chair. Okay, the other way. Okay, we're going to repeat that one more time. And then one last time in the opposite direction. Okay, and now what I want you to do is just place your hand behind your head gently. We don't want to be cranking on the neck here. It's really just using this as a landmark so we have a spot that we know we're putting our hand. So you don't want to crank down on the neck, but you just want to gently twist your body, bringing that elbow forward, twisting at the torso, not the neck. Okay. And now come back out to the starting position, and then we're just going to move slightly back. Okay, both hands back on the chair, and we're going to do that in the opposite direction. So hand lightly placed behind the head, come forward just a little bit, twisting at the torso, not pulling on the neck, back to the side, and now out. Bring that elbow back if you can. Okay. Now bring your feet out again, about shoulder width apart. Place one hand on your leg, and we're just going to slide that hand down a little bit, reaching down towards your knee. Okay, we're going to do that on the other side. Okay, so next, bring your knee up slightly, and we're just going to rotate it out. Place it down on the ground on your side, kind of facing out diagonally, and then back up and in. We're going to do that same thing on the other side. So bring the knee up, out, down, back up, back to the center and in. And we're going to finish this warm up with just a little bit of marching. And I really like this because it just gets everything warmed up. If you need to hold on to the chair, that's okay to start because we will hopefully be progressing. And the progression would be to just use one arm on the chair, pumping the other one. And if you're doing that, you want to make sure you alternate so that you're strengthening both sides equally. And then, of course, the progression from that would be pumping both arms, but still having the chair there if you need it. It's right there if you lose your balance. And we're just going to do this for a couple more seconds before moving on. Okay, let's move on. Okay, next we're going to do a side leg raise like that while also raising the opposite arm to the other side. We're going to do 8 each way, rest, repeat. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're going to go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, excellent. I'm going to take a little break. And if you need to hold on with both hands for this to start, that is perfectly okay. Remember to start where you are and work your way up. So if you need to hold on in order to do the movement, by all means, please hold on with both hands. Okay, we're going to repeat that again. All right, and I forgot which way I started the last time. So we'll go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 8 times the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great job. Okay, next we're going to do some standing heel-toe rocking. And this is a really great exercise just for building up stability in your legs. And what this looks like, and I'm going to switch to the other side so you can see my good side doing it, my better ankle, is that I want you to come up on your toes and then rock back onto your heels like that. And you want to keep this knee here bent slightly when you're doing that, so that you're not straining that knee. And we're going to do that 8 times each side. And we're going to take a little break and then repeat that. All right, so up onto the toes, heels, toes, heels, 3, 4 toes, 4 heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels. Okay, we're going to take a little break. And as always, if you're not able to get through all of those, just stop where you have to and then catch up on the next startup when we start the next set. And we're just going to take a little break here, catch our breath, let our muscles rest for a couple seconds, and then we'll get right back into that. Okay. All right, knees slightly bent, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels. All right, excellent. Next, what we're going to do is a leg and arm, call it a grapevine. So, pretend I'm holding onto the chair here, just so I can show you what this looks like. I think I have to push this over to the side so I have enough room. So you're holding onto the chair, and you're going to cross one arm over the other, and then cross that same leg over, and then back to center, and then back the other way like that. And we're going to do that 8 times each way, and then take a little break and do that again. So I'll put the chair here in the front, and you can kind of still see my legs when I'm doing. So hands together, feet together, slightly apart. And now take one arm and one leg and put it over the other arm and leg, just like that. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we're going to take a little break here, catch our breath, get ready to do it all over again. Okay, let's do this one more time. Lay hands together, close together on the chair, feet slightly apart, and now cross one way and cross the other. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, excellent. Now on to our cool down. I want you to take a couple steps back from the chair so your arms are stretched out, and then just bend forward, sticking that butt behind you out, bending those elbows. You're going to feel a little stretch in your hamstrings. All right, come back up. We're going to do that one more time. All right. We're going to do, next we're going to do a little torso twist. So come back a little closer to that chair. Raise up one hand and thread it underneath that arm, reaching towards the opposite hip. All right, back to center. We're going to do that the other way. All right, and now we're going to do a standing cat-cow. So we do the cow first, bend forward, rounding that spine out, and now back the other way, arching the back, bringing the shoulders back, opening up that chest, looking slightly up to the ceiling. Weight is on the front of your feet. Okay, and now bring one arm up in a rainbow. Inhale. Exhale down. Do the same with the other arm. Inhale, exhale down. Back to the other side. Inhale up. Exhale down. And one more time. All right, all done for this session. Fantastic work finishing today's session. Each step you take is a step towards better health. Keep moving, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon.